Good morning, students. So some of you are solving the questions by cross multiplication but still having doubts. So let me explain you what is cross multiplication, and if you are using it, so what should be the correct method and why we are using it. Clear? Let me clear it out. See, for example, let us take two example. One is 4 upon 9, two numbers we are taking, and the other number is 6 upon 7. Clear? See, when you are multiplying na, so what happens is ki 4 upon 9 and 6 upon 7. Let us take the example of 9 and 7. So LCM is 9 and 7 ka LCM is 63. So if we are multiplying both the sides by 63, clear, so it will cut it by 7 times and it will cut by 9 times, that is 4 into 7 and 6 into 9. That's why sometimes we all say na कि sir we are cross multiplying it, तो 4 into 7 हो जाता है and 6 into 9. The reason is कहाँ से आ रहा है वो, तो वन थिंग इज दिस, क्लियर, कि दिस इज नॉट डायरेक्टली जस्ट गोइंग ओवर हियर कि ये 7 यहाँ चला गया, ये 9 इधर आ गया, नो, बिकॉज द LCM is 63, दैट्स वाई. क्लियर? सो वी आर कटिंग इट. तो ओवरऑल वी आर स्किपिंग दीज स्टेप्स व्हेन यू आर सॉल्विंग डायरेक्टली ना, दैट मीन्स यू आर स्किपिंग दीज स्टेप्स. इन स्टेप्स को छोड़ करके वी आर डायरेक्टली सॉल्विंग द दिस वन थिंग. क्लियर? सेकेंड थिंग्स इज कि इट वॉज 4 upon 9 and 6 upon 7. Clear? If I multiply both the numbers over here by 7, numerator and denominator, and over here by 9. Clear? Now this denominator and this denominator, if you see, they are same. Clear? Commutative property we are using over here, a into b and b into a, ये बन गया है. That means they both are same. तो अब when we are comparing them, if the denominator are same, तो denominator से हमें कोई फर्क पड़ेगा नहीं. Clear? The only thing matter is the numerator. Clear? So 4 into 7 and 6 into 9. So 4 7 is 28 and 6 9 is 54. That's why sometimes you are saying directly we are doing it, but that is not directly because these we are skipping. इनको हम गायब कर देते हैं. Clear? We are directly multiplying. तो that's why we can say this is the answer is greater. That's why 6 upon 7 is greater than 4 upon 9. Clear? Now one things come in this is कि if you are solving the question and it is a negative number. Clear? If it is a negative number like this, clear, so you have to first make it into a standard form number. Standard form में we have to change this, otherwise you are multiplying, so it will be 4 upon minus 9 and 6 upon 7. So this minus number will go over there and this 7 will come over here. So 4 7 there will be 28 and 6 9 that you are saying it is minus 9 will go over there, so it will be minus 54. So you will say कि now sir 4 upon 9 is greater because 28 is greater than 54. That's why 4 upon 9 is greater than 6 upon 7, and your answer will be whole wrong. Clear? Why? Because first we have to change this number into standard form, then only you can do this if you want. So 4 upon minus 9 को first we will multiply it by minus 1. Clear? And the numerator will become negative, but the denominator will become positive. Now if you have to compare, then you can do it and your answer will be correct. 9 is this and this over there, so minus 4 into 7 and 6 into 9, that is now 28 and this is 54. Now 54 is greater, that's why 6 upon 7 is greater than minus 4 upon 9, which is the correct answer. Clear? But अभी हमारा यहाँ पे आंसर क्या आ रहा था, 4 upon 9 greater than 6 upon 7, which was totally wrong because we have not changed it into the standard form. So when you are doing it by cross multiplication, then so you have to change it into the standard form, then only you can do it. Clear? So these were the things when you are doing cross multiplication. Remember why you are doing it. Clear? And the most important thing is if you are doing it by the LCM method, then no problem will be there, always your answer will be correct. So I'll suggest you use the LCM method. Clear? But if you want to use cross multiplication, then you should know why we are using it and how directly we are doing it. 4 upon 9 is there, 6 upon 7, so you are directly saying 4 into 7 will be there and 6 into 9 will be there. So how this is happening, the reason is either we are multiplying both the side by the LCM. Clear? LCM of 9 and 7 was 63. So now it is 4 into 7, it has cut into 7 times and it has cut into 9. So now it is coming like this. Clear? Or either you can say we are multiplying both the side. This denominator we are multiplying by in this number in the numerator and denominator, and this denominator we are multiplying in this number 6 upon 7 में numerator and denominator. Clear? So the denominator in both the cases become the same thing, so we can directly compare the numerator and get the answer. Clear? So we should know why we are doing it cross multiplication. You all don't know okay, why we are doing it, but you just know okay, 4/9 and 6/7 is there, so just do the cross multiplication. But why? So the reason now I have told you. Clear? Watch this 1 2 3 time if you are not able to understand, and if any more doubt is there, we will discuss it in the class also. Thank you.